Welcome to SongHelix, the simple way to discover just the art song you're looking for. In this video, I'll point out some things about the home page, and I'll describe how to use the search page to get the best results for you. Across the top of the page, you'll see 4 tabs: Search, Contribute Songs, Contact Us, and About. You'll find these same tabs on any page within SongHelix. Search will return you to this homepage. Contribute Songs will take you to a page with several ways to upload information on songs we don't have cataloged yet. Contact Us is one way you can get in touch, and About lists all those people who have helped to build this tool. So, on to search. We've made it possible to search for songs in 2 ways. Search, represented on the left side of the search page, and Browse, represented on the right. It's tempting to combine these 2 functionalities, but our search doesn't work that way. You'll only be successful using one or the other at a time. So let's look at each of these methods. Search and filter. On the left-hand side, you'll find search. Think of this as a targeted way of finding songs with certain criteria. One caveat to using this side: if you narrow your search with too many criteria, you might not get any results. With that said, let's say that you know that you want to find songs about flowers. As you begin typing flowers, the search bar auto-suggests every keyword that we use regarding flowers. For now, I'll just choose the simple flowers. When I click on that, that term shows up below the search bar as an indication that the term is included in your search. Now, if you go down to the bottom of the page and hit search, you'll be presented with the results page for the search criteria flowers. You can see what your criteria for the search was, and you can see that the relatively broad term returned about 1,000 results. As you can see, the results are presented alphabetical by composer. And as you scroll down, you see that songs in many languages appear. This is too many results then is helpful. So try going to Edit Search. Edit this search. This returns you to the search page and retains your search terms. If you want to start your search over from the beginning, you can click New Search or the Search tab at the top. So let's narrow it by language. Let's say you only wanted songs about flowers in French. Flowers is already selected, so find the original language drop-down and select French. Hit search. This is more manageable, resulting in about 225 songs. With more filters on the first page, you can narrow it down further. So edit this search as you did before. Let's say that you're a young treble voice with a range of middle C, C4 to F5, the top of the treble staff. You can indicate that range with the drop downs. Like that. And hit search again. This will show you all the songs with the criteria that you selected, and that's about 80 songs. One little note about range. So the search criteria that you've given is C4 to F5, and the results show any song with that range or narrower. In other words, songs with a range between C4 and F5, including songs with smaller ranges between those 2 pitches, show up in your results. Now let's explore a song. So let's choose Les Papillons by Ernest Chausson. When you click the link, you are sent to the song's detail page. Here you can see all the details, the metadata, about the song that we have collected. In the first column, you can see the types of information, And in the main column, you can see the metadata itself. SongHelix is richly linked and cross-referenced, as you can see by all those active links. For example, if you know that this is a poem that you like, you could click on that title and see other songs that share this title. Or you could see all of Chausson's songs, or all of the songs for which Gautier is the poet. Below that, you can see all the keywords and features that we've collected for this song. You see flowers, and you see everything else. From here, you might change your mind and look for all the songs about jealousy. Clicking jealousy shows you all of those songs. You can see the song's average duration, the year of composition, other information, and several links outside of SongHelix. In this case, there's a link to leader.net. There it is. Spotify, IMSLP, and IPA source. Finally, at the bottom of every detail page, there's an opportunity for you to send in feedback about this particular song. With this little form, you can send us suggestions or corrections. Lastly, let's talk about browsing by keyword. So let's start a news search. I'll quickly show you how to look for songs the other way. Our first search was assuming that you had keywords and other criteria in mind. If you don't know where to start your search, then scoot over to the right-hand side and browse. If you're interested in songs about animals, you can click the word animals and see all the songs about animals that we have so far. So far just over 1,000 songs. However, this somewhat long list of terms works like nested folders. So if you click on the arrow next to animals, you see all the subcategories of animals that we've created. For fun, let's click on the arrow next to fish, crustaceans, and mollusks. This brings up the animals within that subcategory. Let's choose jellyfish. The results page lists only one song about jellyfish by Pietro Cimara. So, thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial has been easy enough to follow. If you're interested in contributing songs, please check out that tutorial as well.